Ghana's economy is changing fast. This video is about the sectors on the rise and the people behind them. Today, we will uncover the richest minds, transforming market opportunities into enduring legacies. Stick around to see opportunities for you. 1. FinTech and mobile payments. Leading the pack, companies like Zipay, Hoptel, and Fido are skyrocketing thanks to mobile money, instant loans, and Bank of Ghana support. More smartphones means Ghanaians love quick payments for airtime, insurance, and more. Mr. Andrew Techi Apia, the managing director and co-founder of Zipay, has settled over 3 billion in transactions for millions, making the company's assets grew from 143.8 million Ghana cedis in 2021 to 406.8 million Ghana cedis in 2022, making him one of the richest individual entrepreneurs in the country. With a degree in business or IT and with experience in mobile money transactions, you can secure a job in the fintech industry. 2. Real estate and housing. Real estate remains a long-term investment asset, making property development and ownership attractive for investors. It's of no surprise that many of the millionaires and the billionaires of the country are involved in real estate development. Take Nana Kwame Bediako, whose Wonderworld estate is giving many Ghanaians a chance at modern living and has contributed to his net worth of over $1.2 billion. Or let's consider Mr. Joseph Edu, CEO of Jeff Traco Group, has been a consistent figure in Ghanaian's real estate development sector for over 2 decades. Jeff Traco is one of the largest real estate developers in Ghana, with thousands of housing units delivered and several ongoing projects, making Mr. Joseph Edu have a net worth of about $460 million. Some of the notable real estate developers are Mr. Kofi Amwa Aban, with net worth of $620 million, Ibrahim Mahama, with net worth of $800 million, Patricia Poku, with net worth of $580 million, and the list goes on and on. The third fastest growing business in Ghana is agribusiness and food processing, adding value to produce, packaging, agro-processing, catering to both local and export demand. It's one of the lucrative businesses in the country. Several individuals are recognized for their significant contribution to Ghana's agribusiness sector, ranging from large-scale commercial farmers and entrepreneurs to innovators and public figures. Dr. Kwabena Daku, known as the Poultry King, is the founder of Daku Farms and Company, the largest privately owned agro-industrial poultry concern in Ghana. Its net worth is about $60 million and counting. Aloysius Atta is one of the young entrepreneurs making millions of agribusiness, co-founder and CEO of Farmer Line Group, a technology-focused agribusiness that provides solutions for farmers.
Oh, okay.
Content creation. Content creation has become one of the fastest growing business sectors in Ghana. What started as a simple entertainment is now a serious industry, producing million view videos, brand deals, and full-time careers. Today, Ghanaian creators earn from YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, sponsorships, merchandising, and even international collaboration. And the rise is happening fast.
How many streams of income do you have right now?
I have a lot.
Budumaya, Africa's biggest travel and lifestyle creator, promoting African businesses, worth over $1 million through AdSense revenue, sponsorship, and other multiple income streams through social media. Zion Felix, popularly known for his entertainment interviews and media reports, also makes over $300,000, challenging the traditional way of how interview is being done in the country. Other creators like Kudu Sheldon, Akebiniza, Campus with Shark Boy, Magriha, makes over $5,000 in a month due to the high market demand for their content. Behind the scenes, many of these creators now run full media teams. The streets are busy, but the real traffic is happening online. From Accra to Kumasi, more and more Ghanaians are buying everything through their phones. Clothes, groceries, electronics, even cooked food. E-commerce is one of the exploding sectors in the Ghana economy. Smartphone ownership is rising fast. Mobile money makes it easy to pay online. Young people prefer convenience. Businesses are moving online to survive competition. Delivery services have become faster and more reliable, resulting in the rise of e-commerce in Ghana. Companies like Jumia Ghana, Mecom Online, Kiko Ghana, Hoptel are massively contributing to this rise. Mr. Les Bram and Ernest Kwesi Apintin, being the owners of Hoptel, are considered to be one of the wealthiest people in the country. In an interview, Mr. Les revealed that the company generates over $110 million in annual revenue, showing the lucrative side of e-commerce. Even though Jumia is a Pan-African company, it has expanded logistics and delivery operations across major cities of the country, making Ghanaian shops move online, contributing to its rise in the economy. Tech startups, digital services, and innovation is also a sector experiencing fastest growth in Ghana, becoming a backbone for new business models in finance, agriculture, logistics, education, health, and many more. The flexibility and low startup costs for software platforms, agri-tech, and fintech solutions make tech attractive for young entrepreneurs aiming to solve local problems at scale. Mr. Einstein team is one of the individuals making millions of the startup industry. He founded the Ghana.ai, which is heavily involved in supporting and educating tech startups. Mr. Gregory Rock Jackson, who has over $12 million in funding, a co-founder of M-Pharma, a healthcare startup that manages pharmaceutical inventory, headquartered in Ghana, with over 150 pharmacies network. It's also a proof of how this industry is booming in Ghana. And there you have it, the fastest growing business industry in Ghana. If there's one thing we've learned, it's that Ghana isn't just growing, it's evolving, and the people behind these industries aren't waiting for opportunities. They are creating them. Whether you are an investor, a young entrepreneur, or someone looking for your next big move, remember, the next breakthrough might come from you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Bye. Bye.